Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix dim screen in NxtPaper mode on your TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. So first, what are we gonna do to basically fix our dim screen in NxtPaper mode? We're gonna go over, let's unlock the phone, and from here, we're gonna go to settings, display, and here we have the darker display mode. So this will be the low and light environment. This is the first thing we're gonna do. The NxtPaper mode, it will cause the dimming features or basically some certain display settings. So you want to disable the darker display mode. You can try and enable adaptive brightness, as you guys can see. You can do it just like that and it will boost the brightness. After that, you can change the mode to light mode, for example, but now I gotta change my brightness so you guys can see stuff. Here we have the Eye Comfort mode, reading mode, and NextVision. The same with intelligent scene brightness optimization, which we want to disable. And what are we gonna do next is we're gonna go to NextVision. Here you want to make sure that you disable all three of those options so you don't have NextVision enabled. And of course, make sure to disable the Eye Comfort features. I mean, you can turn it on. All that will happen is basically just changing your color to be more warm or normal. So that's it. Now we're gonna move on to the night light. So the night light is basically the same as Eye Comfort mode, but it is for a scheduled plan. So we want to make sure that we set it up properly. Of course, what are we gonna do next is we want to make sure that our mode from reading is disabled, and this is the reading mode. We want to make sure that it is disabled. And that's basically how you guys can fix your dim screen in the NxtPaper mode. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.